Bavaria, Germany, a region that blends culture and tradition with state-of-the-art technology and innovation in a way that few others can. And the best example of this is right here. Hello, my name is Thomas Roth, and I'm head of Power and Engineering at Dominicus Ringeisenwerk. We support around 1,500 people with disabilities at our site in Ursberg. We are very happy with the Type 3. We have been using the engines for some 20 years now. They generate electricity and heat efficiently, reliably, and flexibly. We have always had great experiences with the engines. Even the earlier versions were very good, very reliable. The Type 3 from INNIO, an evergreen engine from Jenbacher, full of history, experience, and quality. Robust, tried and tested, in use all over the world. Flexible both in terms of application and energy sources. We decided to upgrade to the 3F version 2 years ago, and so many things have improved even further. The key features of the Jenbacher Type 3F are a new cylinder head, a new piston, a new valve train, a new camshaft, a new knock control, and the ignition system. Combined, these components generate a wealth of improvements for customers. Greater efficiency means savings for you. And lower THC emissions lead to a smaller environmental footprint. Reduced oil cost lowers your oil life cycle costs. Convenient upgrade for the latest technology. And future-proof fuel flexibility. The Ready for Hydrogen option facilitates your move to H2 operation tomorrow. The upgrade has lengthened the engine's surface life yet again from 60,000 to 80,000 operating hours. This upgrade to the latest Jenbacher technology can also be done as part of a minor overhaul. Yeah, it makes us feel good. We are very happy with the engines and are well prepared for whatever the future may bring. The Jenbacher Type 3 Next Generation Engine Platform, the reference for robustness and reliability, now with higher efficiency. Innovation from INNIO.